What's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how Russia and China is massively buying gold. And I'm actually going to read some of the notes from the article, and I'm actually going to read the notes from the I'm actually going to read the notes, and I'm gonna leave the article in the description box so you can also do further research on your own. Okay. Now, they were saying Russia and China reportedly are stockpiling gold to diversify their foreign exchange reserves, as emerging markets have also boasted precious metals holders as price hovering near their highest levels in more than 6 years. To be sure, they said global gold demand rose 8% in the first half of this year, to the highest since 2016. They said driven by central bank gold buying and flood of investment into gold-backed exchange trade funds. They said the World Gold Council said last month the WGC said central banks bought 224.4 metric tons of gold in the second quarter, taking their purchases to 374 metric tons over the first half. They said they also said that was up from 238 metric tons in 2018, and the most for any first half, since at least 2000. Central bank buying it is of course important to the supply demand dynamic for the metal, but it is much more important in terms of sentiment towards the metal. Brian London, editor of Gold Newsletter, recently told Barron's. They said when central banks are quote-unquote buying it as heavily as they are, it provides cover and rationale in other central banks to do the same. Russian central bank's gold reserves stand at 2,219 metric tons, according to the World Gold Council or WGC, based on the latest data available in September from sources including the International Monetary Fund. China's holders are at least 1,935.5 metric tons. They said given the latest prices with the most active gold futures contracts settling at 1,499.50 an ounce on Friday, and about 32,151 51 trade ounces in one metric ton. The value of Russia's gold reserves is roughly 107 billion. The moves are due to concerns about the outlook for currencies, including the dollar and the euro, says Mark Byrne, research director at Goldcorp in Dublin. They said, quote unquote, while the gold tonnage demand for central banks in recent months has been significant and near records, gold remains a tiny fraction of most central banks' foreign exchange reserves, he said, adding that the trend is sustainable and indeed may accelerate. And last but not least, O'Brien also explained to Barron's that the risk of the trade war turning into currency war, could be fueling central bank diversification into gold. So what they're doing is right about now, China and Russia is buying a lot of gold in massive numbers right now. And I believe this is actually going to reflect the currency war and also with the trade war, because, gold is pretty much one of the highest things right about now to be buying in and also to invest into, because, currency is pretty much changing. And this is also, I believe, dealing with like cryptocurrency. So central banks now are more so buying into gold, especially like, with the currency war and the trade war, and then pretty much just believed to accelerate. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man. Spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need of y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.